Wagwan, Wagwan. What is up, guys? Jamaica Rest Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're back. We're going to Jamaica. We're back and we're in Jamaica again. All right. So Tommy Lee. This is Tommy Lee Sparta. Ghetto Cry. I look back to it behind Tommy Lee situation. Tommy Lee, as always, had running with the cops. The cops always seems to be arresting him for one thing or another. Recently, just before Christmas, I think it was, just before Christmas, him get arrested again, allegedly with a firearm on his persons. So them find a gun upon him and arrest him allegedly. So he's now in custody, waiting to be charged. No, he's been charged. Has he been charged? Yes, he's been charged. So he's waiting to go in front of the judge. You know. So this song dropped the 1st of January. So we're gonna react to it now. We just like literally see it. So let's go. This is a reaction, by the way. So ready? Let's go. Ready? Let's get it.
No letting go, no letting go, no letting go, no letting go. Sometimes I can't help it but cry. Tears in my eyes and my mind. Babylon, the time is counting. Inna your miss, you be drowning. You get a youth life for a joke thing. One day you are gonna tell God something.
This is like a message to the government, the system that's fighting ghetto youths, including himself. Is basically saying, listen, one day your day will come, and when it comes, it's not gonna be pretty. You understand? It won't be pretty. So just be prepared, because the system, the ghetto youths in any country in the world always get a fight from the system because of their background. And we all know with certain postcode or with certain address, you cannot get a job in certain places. So we all know that. So he's venting right now. So let's go.
Cause me do good for me community. Send enough youth go a school still. Show me just a show a little love still. But the system have we ever done still.
Alright, so what he's saying there is him do good, lots of good for him community. He send lots of kids to go to school because a lot of parents cannot afford it. So him send a lot of kids go to school. But the system have him as a dan. So in Jamaica, you have dan around certain place, and if you put on treats for the kids, and if you send kids to school, and if you do other things in the community, including badness, then you are done. People look up to you, people respect you, people rate you. But what Tommy Lee is saying is he's not doing any badness. He's just doing good for his community, and the system have him as a dan, which is not a dan. That is what he's saying. So let's carry on.
Sometimes I can help it but cry. Tears from my eyes and my mind running wild. I don't wanna tune into my ego, but sometimes I don't like people. Stay by myself and I from trouble find me. Me and police in a meeting to get.
Basically, what he just said right there is not an ego thing. He doesn't want to be in his ego, but he just letting you know sometimes he doesn't like people. Sometimes I do not like people because people always seems to just go against me. You understand? So he must say no matter how much him try, him and police always end up in some tanglings, and he's always sitting down in front of the police in our meeting, and he's tired of it. He's tired of it. So carry on.
The ghetto cry. The system of we as a criminal. Them no want see we rise. Them not give me visa fi fly. Them no want we live life. As we make a little money and gone up and with them all time.
Alright, so basically the chorus is Ghetto Cry. The song is Ghetto Cry. So basically what he's saying there is if you have a criminal record, it's very hard to get a visa. No matter if you're an artist, you're a comedian, you're an athlete, no matter what. Once you have a criminal record, it's very hard to get a US visa and a UK visa. So Ghetto is crying. So right now, he have no chance of getting a visa because obviously, like I said, he's behind the bars waiting to be put in front of the judge. So it's crazy.
No letting go, no letting go, no letting go, no letting go.
Yo, you know what? I've never seen Tommy Lee um so what should I say? Watching this video is like he's crying out for help for the people, of course, and for himself, because like I said, it's his situation. But to see Tommy Lee actually in a video crying, because Tommy Lee is the dancehall gothic artist, the dancehall artist where sing the most grimiest stuff and bust out your head and kill them and this and that, you know. But to see him in a song like this, in the to actually like listening to the song itself and watching the video, two different things. And he's not the best singer, but his message is coming across. You know, it's just mad. Big up Sparta. Big up the Sparta people them.
IP to a real G down in the side. Who the JLOs can't see the sunrise. No letting go, no letting go, no letting go, no letting go. Get the youth up in the eyes. This is the my use craft and style. RIP to a real G down in the side. Who the JLOs can't see the sunrise. Get the youth always get the most fight. Come off of the road before it touch night. If it's them a look raise a PM, so them power them have a exercise.
Alright, so that part now, second verse now, it's basically saying Ghetto youth, the government are telling Ghetto youth them have to get off the street, because obviously because of what's going on in the world now with the pandemic and stuff. Jamaica is not under lockdown, but it is under curfew. So certain times you cannot go on the street. Like after certain times you cannot be out there. So what Emily is saying here is because the police them is looking for a razor pay, they're out there exercising more than them rights, because them lock you up, say just being a couple minutes over the time. Say if you should be in at 8 o'clock, them lock you up if them catch you outside 5 minutes past 8. So the system again is bashing the system again. Can't blame him really, because of what he's going through.
To you taxi driver, me feel it for the young bikers. Them fight the hustle and when we style off, them ban me as a gunman. Sometimes I can help it but grind.
I have to pause that again, sorry. So basically, that's why he's telling you who and who he feed it for. He feed it for the taxi drivers, because a lot of people cannot afford to get them taxi taken away by the police, because them not making enough money to get them taxi back. And so sometimes it's just for a simple little reason, you know, me never know, but sometimes it's just a simple little reason why the police will take it. And also he mentioned the yang bike, yang bike riders, because the government want to ban the yang bike riders them, which is the little small bike where you sit on the road and thing. Government want to ban that because it's been used in a lot of crime, but it's not everyone that has it is using it in crime. You know, some people using it to go to work, some people are just using it to do their jobs like delivery and stuff like that. But the police is pressuring these guys because they're just painting everyone with one brush, and that is not the case. Let's go.
Tears on my eyes, I'm on my running one. I don't want to do into my ego. Sometimes I don't like people. Stay by myself and I hide from trouble find me. Me and police in a me. The ghetto cry. The ghetto cry. The system have ways that criminal. They don't want to be rise. They don't want to give me visa to fly. They don't want me live life.
Yo, two things I want to touch on quickly. The vocal in this song from the backup, yo, it's mad. Just listen to her when she pulled it out a while ago. Next thing I want to touch on, Tommy Lee is basically right at this scene right here that is in now. He's been interrogated by the cops, and obviously you can see that it is not in an official room, so any little chance the police them get them interrogate him. You see me? Because them have him as a gunman.
The ghetto cry. The system have ways that criminal. They don't want to be rise. They don't want to give me visa to fly. They don't want me live life. As I make a little money and gone up town with them of eyes. The ghetto cry.
So basically right now I must say, yo, as they make a little money and elevate from the ghetto up onto the hillside, because that is where all of the rich people supposedly live, on the hillside, which we know is true. Police them start watching and basically say, yo brother, you you don't deserve to be up here. So you should be down on the flat looking up. You shouldn't be up on the hill looking down at anyone because you're a criminal. That's what the police must say. But he's listening. I'm an artist. I'm music me though. Leave me alone.
No letting go, no letting go, no letting go, no letting go. No letting go, no letting go, no letting go. Get the youth, open up your eyes. This is my youth craft and style. RIP to a real G down in the side. Who the jailhouse can't see the sunlight.
Yo, the video is deep. Respect goes out to the video production, the people them who come up with the idea. Tamily, big up yourself, my G. So basically, this part of the video, them are protests against racism and obviously Black Lives Matters and stuff like that. So them are protests with that. And there's been lots of clips in the video where them show you how police treat black people. Even in a black countries, even in our countries, the police will see you and thump in your face for no reason, drape you up and, hey boy, where you go? Come here, give me this, give me that. So them stay. You see me? So it's just, it's mad.
Oh God, get the youth up in your eyes. See the sunrise. I don't wanna do it in my ego.
See that? Who do you call when the police murder? You can't. If the police is there to protect and serve, who do you call when the police murder? Who do you call, brother? Literally, who do you call? You can't call nobody because who is going to police the police? Nobody not police the police. Madness. Okay, so the video finished now. So basically, it's just the credits and stuff. Okay, this is the thing that happened in Nigeria. Okay. Yeah, that's a tragedy that happened in Nigeria not long ago, guys. It's not an energetic reaction as normal. Because this is a deep song. Big up Tamily. Hope him get some sort of leniency. Because obviously after good that he done, yeah, big up the Sparta gang them, and I hope if him do come a road soon, when him do come a road, he can actually stay on the straight and narrow and don't get caught up in the madness, because you know you're being watched, brother. So big up yourself, Sparta boss. So guys, this is where I'm gonna end the reaction. Yeah, if you enjoy the reaction, if it touch you like it touch me, leave a like on the video, and guys, subscribe if you're new around here. All right, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.